Hello, I'm Mari and viene Chicory-Apple.
Hi everybody!
This time I show you how to prepare the delicious apple chicory salad.
Oh!
For this recipe we need 2 apples, preference green or little bit red, 1 lemon for juice, 1 chicory, some nuts, some salt and 1 pinch of sugar, few slices of smoked bacon, some oil, vinegar of apple, some coriander and pepper black. Then, the first step is to prepare the bacon. Then we go to the pan here and we wait for when pan is warm. And during this time we prepare the apples. Then is a special preparation. We take the apple, we clean very well in a cold water, and now we cut in 2.
In this sense?
Yes. Like this. More or less equal. We take away the core.
Oh, you have a special tools for this.
Yes.
Casually you use a knife.
Absolutely.
But this is more appropriate, of course.
Then we take the little knife and we cut like this to don't destroy the skin.
Inside along the skin?
Yes.
Nice.
Because we present the salad inside the skin of apple.
Oh. It's not easy, but the result, I guess, will be nice.
Yes, for presentation. Then we cut the lemon for a juice.
It's important because becoming brown the fruit during this time.
Yes.
If you like
You
the
have
result.
to put around the apple very fast. And now is the moment to cook the bacon. Then I have a very thin slices. Then we let them and we prepare the apples to continue. Then this we reserve on a side for a presentation. Casually you can put also around here the lemon juice. And we cut in cubes the apple. And casually you put again the lemon juice on the apples. Like this. Then also now the bacon is ready and we take away. You see
strong.
very...
Want to eat now? Don't wait for.
Soon will be ready. And you have to cool the bacon. Then. And the next step is to prepare the chicory.
Ah.
So I explain you how to choose the good quality of chicory. They have to be very, very sweet here, without leaves dark. Then the preparation is to cut here this part and to cut in half.
This one is beautiful.
Yes. And we take away this part.
Alright.
This one. Just in the middle. Just middle. And from other side too. And absolutely we don't use this part of the core.
Alright.
Because it's very, very dark in the taste. Then we slice thinly. Like this. Then the sauce.
Next step now.
Yes. I choose to use for this recipe the good quality of vegetable oil, but you can take the olive oil. 2 tablespoons. The vinegar of apple, 1 tablespoon. Some salt and 1 pinch of sugar. And bit of pepper black. This we mix together very well. Then we add the sauce in the apples. And we let marinate for a few moments. So we cut a little bit. And again is going to the chicory. Then, about the bacon. It's already cool now, the bacon. And I prefer to slice. And I start with a little bit of apples here. And with the sauce. Then I add a little bit, enough actually, of preparation.
I'm sure we please everybody.
We are sure you enjoyed this delicious recipe and see you next time for new recipes from Marie-Jose.
Bye bye everybody.
And all the information you'll find on the website of us, www.chef-marie.com.
Bye bye.
See you next time.